scruffy, so disregard the scruff. But we'll take you guys in here and let you see the ring that she picked out. I'm really excited. Family man. Family man, company man. Yeah. Oh. How you feeling?
It's a little surreal. Always something that I dreamed about doing, and it's getting closer by the day.
The bag is being secured. It's almost that time.
Right. Guys, so
Okay.
we are less than 24 hours away from the engagement of the year. Me and my mom are going back and forth about how this is going to all go down.
Right.
She's going to have a panic attack.
I am
sure.
not.
But look at this face.
It'll be transformed tomorrow for Raina's amazing day when he puts a ring on it. Hashtag.
Hashtag you put a ring on it.
Daniel, I'm so glad you answered all the questions correctly to the quiz I gave, so I guess it's a go. And Raina, I know you're gonna be so happy. I cannot wait to see your face.
Hey guys, so today is engagement day. I am so freaking stressed out. So the past 2.5 months, myself and my sister's soon-to-be fiance have been planning an engagement party / proposal. We've got all the decor here, everyone's here. So she thinks she's here for a styled photo shoot with my event planning company, Radiance Events. And so yeah, so in a few moments, my sister's about to be engaged. Watch it all go down.
Correct. She's putting it on.
Oh my God. I am now back home. The event was a success. She said she kind of had an idea, but I mean, she was surprised. And she's now engaged. Yeah. Happy for you all. Looking forward to gaining a new brother. I've never had a brother. And yeah, I can't believe my sister is finally engaged. Congrats. Love y'all. Bye.